Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you're good and well. Today is the 21st Ramadan and today's recipe is chicken biryani. Let's start. Chop the onions. That's 5 onions I'm using. 5 medium-sized onions. Add cooking oil to the pot. Add the onions to the oil. Fry until they are golden brown. Crush the ginger and garlic. So I'm using 1 whole bulb of garlic and some ginger. That's done. Add the chicken in. And that's 2 kilograms of chicken thigh. Just mix that in well. And I'm going to make a big pot of biryani. So I'm using 2 kg of chicken and then 2.5 kg of rice. Add the salt in, so that's 1 tablespoon of salt and a half. Just mix that in and then let it cook for about 15 minutes. Add the ginger and the garlic in. Add the tomatoes in, so that's 5 large tomatoes. Potatoes, that's 1 kg of potatoes. 5 tablespoons of biryani masala. So this is made at home, I made it myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And some more cardamoms. 5 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. Give that a good mix. So making a big pot of biryani. And that's why I'm making a lot of masala. And just leave that. I'm going to add some water in as well. A glass of water. 3 green chilies. And cook that for about 15 minutes. And some cooking oil as well. Just throw it in. So now I'm going to add the rice into the boiling water. And that's 2.5 kg of rice. And just let the rice boil down, half boil. And I used Lela long grain rice. Okay guys, so the masala is done now. So I'm going to turn the heat off. It needs to be a bit like runny, not too thick. Needs to cover all the rice. So I'll just turn that off now. Rice is done now, so it's half boiled and I've strained it. So I've done the first layer of just the boiled rice and then I'm going to put the masala in, the chicken masala in now. And spread that out. And the second layer of masala, rice, sorry. That's the second layer of the rice done. And now the rest of the chicken masala. And just lay that out. Just lay that out. And the rest of the rice. Then the last layer. And just lay this out. And like that. I'm gonna garnish it now, so I just do the food color first. So that's orange food coloring. And some green peppers, sliced green peppers, fresh coriander, some lemon slices, fresh mint leaves. There we go. That's all done. So I'm going to put the lid on the roof for about 15 minutes on low heat. And forgot to add the kera water in, so I'll just add that a little bit in. Moment of truth. Let's have a look. Mashallah. Just give that a good mix. It's all ready now, so I'm just going to mix it up. So the biryani is all done. Mashallah, looks really nice. Can't wait for iftari time. So I've mixed it carefully. And that looks beautiful.